for my lesson, I'm going to focus on 4th grade, and the students are going to work with the life cycles of an animal. The students are going to pick an animal and research the animal's life cycle. After figuring out what they need in order to be able to explain the life cycle, they're going to find pictures in a magazine or draw pictures in order to represent the life cycle, and they are going to program Dash to explain the life cycles as he moves to each picture. In this lesson, the students are going to focus on coding, science, ELA, and math. Their prior knowledge is going to be that most likely they're going to know the animal that they chose, and they're going to know about life cycles and what they are. They're going to know how to use the Blockly app and how to arrange blocks. So the learning objectives is students will be able to research the life cycle of an animal. They will be able to describe the life cycle using Dash, and they will be able to program Dash to move in the correct order and explain the life cycle of the animal. So all they need is the internet or a book, informational text, Dash, and the Blockly app, and pictures or drawings of each stage of the life cycle of their animal. So the challenge that the students need to focus on and overcome is that they're going to research the animal and have Dash programmed so that he can move to each picture and describe what's going on in each picture for the animal's life cycle. So here are the steps. It says the students will first individually choose an animal. They will research the animal's life cycle. Then they will find pictures to represent each stage of the life cycle. They will place the pictures on the floor and have Dash programmed so that he would travel in a circle, stopping at each picture and describe what each one is representing. And the students will be assessed formally at the end based on Dash's programming, and this is the rubric that they will need to follow if they chose an animal or not an animal, if the information is accurate, if they included all the pictures that are necessary, if Dash was programmed correctly, and if the order of the life cycle was presented correctly. So for mine, I chose a chicken. So when I found pictures of a chicken laying an egg. So here's the chicken with the eggs, the chicken hatching, the baby chicks, and the adult chicken. And then they just have to program Dash to move and tell a little information about each picture. And that is the challenge.